We've been all over the place today, helping Kyle with the go-kart and kicking butt on this Civic as well as that SI. We got the oil return line on this thing clamped down. We got clamps on our radiator hose now, and we got the IAC coolant hoses on, as well as an oil filter and an oil pan gasket. Next is a valve cover gasket. We need to mount down our throttle cable, which we found a mount. We just need to go grab it real quick, and then we need to put radiator cap on, do vacuum lines of boost solenoid. That's it. We're done. Should run, hopefully. We'll have to have Jamie hop in there and do the dead times and everything, because I don't know these MSD injectors. They're a lot older. Or my dad of course could do it as well. But once we get all that figured out, this thing should hopefully be a bona fide ripper. So we just got all the coolant lines on there. Gordo's gonna go ahead and put coolant in it. So we realized our top hose had multiple holes, so we just had to get rid of it. Alright, so I got my boost solenoid here. I got a new coolant hose there completely, just a new hose. So I'm gonna put clamps on that hose so it's not gonna have any joints or unions or anything. Won't leak, won't have any issues, that'll be nice. And then, as well as that, we're gonna plumb our boost lines, wire the solenoid in. We got the throttle cable all hooked up here, works. Get a wideband in it and party. So for the vacuum lines, you do A to the top of the gate and then B to the bottom of the gate. This is a 4-port solenoid, not a 3-port. And then EX is just a vent. You don't need to do anything for EX. You just do the in. So in is the source, and then EX is just a vent. You don't have to do anything to vent, but you do EN to source.
So I gotta put this push lock fitting where that nipple is. down there on the turbo.
Well, we got pretty much all of it done. We need to go ahead and put the wideband in it and wire a wideband up and put oil in it, but we got a throttle cable on it, we got all the coolant lines on it, all the vacuum lines on it, boost lines on it. What else, Gordo? That's everything, man. Everything.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, we just need to do that wideband and then get ripping, dude. I'm excited.
Get the gasket. Yeah. You got this wideband in here with the gauge pod, or the pillar gauge pod holder installed.
It's looking good.
Looking good. I'm gonna put the wideband sensor in right now. Wrench down. Crush washer. There we go. It's ready to be plugged in into the car.
So me and Steve just finished this thing up, got everything done. All the vacuum lines are ran, everything's ran. I do need to put a dump tube on it or spin it, because currently it's pointing right at my my line there. So once it melts that, then I'll just be running the top of the gate and that'll be bad. But we got axles in it, we got training fluid in it, we got oil in it, we got coolant in it, radiator cap, everything's all there. Overflow, all of it. This thing's looking clean too, man. I'm so excited. I love it, dude. So my dad's gonna go ahead and hop on here and throw in the MSD dead times and stuff. It's got an Omni 3-bar, old MSD, big bodied injectors. So I don't know the dead times of them. I've had them in my toolbox since this thing was together last, so it's been a long time. But I'm excited to get it ripping and have a car that I can just rip around and drive, and it'll be awesome. This thing is clean too, besides my little damage on the fender. She's clean. I love her. Yep. We used to have a Pro Logger and all this stuff. It was super cool. Still really nice on the interior. Carpet looks great. Get her a pressure wash and we'll get ripping.
Back of the block, leaking oil.
Back of the block?
Yep.
All right, round 2. batteries on there now because my tires weren't the best on those ones. But man, this thing is coming together. My dad's in there now messing with it. We're gonna hopefully get it over to the dyno.
You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
It's gonna be awesome. Heck yeah, guys. So, got a bunch done all around today. We kicked butt. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciated it. You guys, you kick butt, you know? I mean, we work hard, but you guys work hard too. So, thank you guys for doing what you do. Be safe out there. Everyone have a good night. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.
Stay goofy.